Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. In my previous video, we learned agreement of adjectives, masculine to feminine. In this video, we learn how to make an adjective singular to plural. To change an adjective from the singular to plural, we add s, but the pronunciation will not change. Normally, we make the adjective plural by adding an x. For example, in singular, bone will become bone. In plural, which means good. In singular, mans will become mans. In plural, which means thin. Next, in singular, less will become less. In plural, which means ugly. If an adjective ends with s in singular form, it will remain same in plural form. For example, in singular, gras will become gras in plural, which means fat. Next, in singular, epa will become epa in plural, which means thick. Next, mauve. Mauve will become mauve in plural, which means bad. If an adjective ends with eau in singular form, we add x to change in plural form. For example, beau will become beau avec x, which means handsome. Nouveau will become nouveau avec x, which means new. Let us see some more adjectives, masculine singular to feminine singular. Grand will become grande avec e in feminine. Epa will become epas avec e in feminine. Ancien will become ancien in feminine. Jeune will become jeune in feminine. Gentil will become gentil in feminine. Canton will become canton in feminine avec e. Mécontent will become mécontent avec e in feminine. Sympathetic will become sympathetic in feminine. Antipathic will become antipathic in feminine. Bas will become basse in feminine. Court will become court avec e in feminine. Intelligent will become intelligent in feminine avec e. Intéressant will become intéressant avec e in feminine. Triste will become triste in feminine. Itret will become itret avec e in feminine. I hope you like this video and understand this topic. That's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.